Now listen here. Our next concept. First order linear differential equation. We have two types of formula. If the first order linear differential equation is of the form, start with b dx plus b into y. Only y will come. That's very important. Because p and q are in terms of x. So input only one y will come. The question is of the form dy by dx plus the something in terms of x into y equal to again something in terms of x. This linear equation is of the form dy by dx plus x term whatever it may be, no problem, into y equal to involving only x term. The question is involving only one time y, input y. That means linear equation is of the form dy by dx plus dy by q. Then the solution is y into if equal to integration of q into if dx plus c, where if means integrating factor. That means what is the formula? E for integral dx. It's a formula. E for integral dx. From the question you will guess the p value and q value. After finding I here, substitute I here, then one more time you will answer this side. Now question is on the form dx by dy plus dx equal to q. The p and q are in terms of y. That's very important. Then the solution is x into if equal to q into if dy plus c, where if equal to integral dy integral with respect to y. That's right. We have two formulas. Now this is the question 10.1, 10.7. The first question dy by dx cos x into dy by dx plus y into sin x equal to 1. Now what is given? Cos x into dy by dx plus y into sin x equal to 1. We want only dy by dx. That's the divided by cos x. Am I right? So dy by dx plus what is that? Sin x by cos x is y. But y by cos x. Am I right? Now it is of the form. It is of the form. What is the formula? Dy by dx plus py equal to q. Here b is what? The co-equal y is what? Sin x by cos x. Q is what? 1 by cos x. Am I right? Now the solution is what is the formula? Y into if equal to q into if into dx plus c is the formula. Write the formula clearly. We want if. If what is the formula? E for integral dx. Am I correct? E for integration we already found out sin x by cos x here. Now again I told you denominator variable, numerator variable. Differentiation of denominator equal to exactly divided log of something. Am I correct? What is that? Cos x. Difference of cos is what? Minus sin x. Minus only this is one of the thing. E power already what is that? Denominator is cos x. Limit only sin x. You want to multiply minus here. Here minus. Am I correct? Now e power minus into denominator is cos x. Limit is minus sin x. What is log of cos x? Am I correct? We don't want e and log. That's why e power log of cos x whole power minus 1. Am I correct? Log of now e and log cancel. We get answer cos x inverse. Am I correct? Cos x whole inverse. Therefore cos x whole inverse means 1 by cos x. This is called I. Am I correct? I have five. Now substitute here. That is answer. This is the formula I know. Put the box clearly. Am I correct? The formula we do one. Suppose 1 becomes y into if is what? 1 by cos x equal to q into q is 1 by x. Again if is what? 1 by cos x into dx plus. Am I right? Y by cos 1 by cos is what? Sec x equal to 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square secant square x. Am I right? Now y into secant x plus equal to integration of secant square dx is what? That is the answer. That's all. This is the answer. In all the problems, you guess the method. Questions are always available to only simply solve by using separate method or homogeneous function or linear function. You have to identify. But linear equations of the form, in middle term only one is there. In other term, no y involved. The real particular three terms are there. 1, 2, 3. Middle term y into something will come. The sum is always in terms of x. Suppose y square, log y, 1 by y, sin y, cos y, you know what I mean? Not linear equations. Mind it. Only y is there. It is about dy base plus dy equal to q. Middle term y. The remaining all terms are only in terms of x. But the coefficient of y must be in terms of x. This is also in terms of x. Now write the formula clearly. The formula is not in IF. That's why I am writing IF first. If intermediate, substitute b value, then integrate. The maximum problem, so many problems. The e for log of something will come in, and the e and log will be cancelled. Mind it. Without log is some other area. But maximum problem, e for log of something will come in, and e log will be cancelled. We get the right term. The substitute IF with the formula. One more time integrate, we get answer. The better concept. Now second question, exercise 10.7, solve 1 minus x square into dy by dx minus x equal to 1. This is good. This is given no? First given equation. Now, middle term only y involved. Now it is a linear equation. That's why divided by 1 minus x square. The linear equation is of the form. Start to derivative. That's why derivative is short. But dy by dx minus x divided by 1 minus x square is 1 by a minus x square. Okay? Now it is of the form. It is of the form. Dy by dx plus dy equal to q. Here, what is b? The coefficient of y. That's what? Minus x by 1 minus x square. Q equal to something. 1 by 1 minus x square. Am I correct? Now write the solution. The solution is reverse formula y into if, q into if, into dx plus c is the formula. Write the formula clearly. This is first equation. Where we want if now. Where I is what? E per unit dx. Am I right? E power integration of p is what? Minus x by 1 minus x square dx. Denominator is x by. Now differentiation of denominator is what? 1 is 0. Minus x square become minus 2x. But only x minus x square. 2 is missing. That's why e power multiply divided by 2. Multiply by 2. Am I right? Concept 2 is missing. That's why multiply by 2. Now e power 1 by 2 into what is the answer? Denominator is what? 1 minus x square. Differentiation of this one is minus a. But log of denominator is the answer. And I will told you the e power. We want only log of something. That's why the 1 by 2. 1 by 2 log of something means log of something power half. Now e power log will be cancelled. The whole power half means 1 by top 1 minus x square. This is idea. This is called idea. Integrated. Now 1 by substitute y into 1 by root of 1 minus x square equal to integration of q into is what? 1 by, sorry, here only power half. Minus half means 1 divided by something. But only plus is on. Root of 1 minus. Now, substitute the IF in the first equation. The formula. Y into IF is what? Root of 1 minus x square equal to q is what? 1 minus x square. In the IF is what? Root of 1 minus x square dx plus c. Am I correct? Now root of 1 minus x square. This can be 1 minus x square can be root of 1 minus x square. Root of 1 minus x square. This we can tell. What is the reason now? 1 by 1 minus root of x square become the formula of this one is the formula of this one is sin of x square. That is the answer. That's all. Is that? First guess the method. After what is P, what is Q? Write the formula. The formula is not E equal to dx. Already told you the E power always maximum power, not always. Integration denominator divided by denominator. First you want to very check yourself. Differentiation of the denominator is equal to numerator or not. If the exact divided integral form is log something. Here differentiation of this one is minus x is coming, but the minus is already there. Only 2 is the same. Divided by 2, 1 by 2. Now exactly differentiation denominator is coming on log denominator. But the infant log of some number involving as the log power, the 1 by 2 now come up to E log cancel, whole power and root of sum. Substitute in the formula. After here also, without square root, you want to root of something, you want to cancel. 1 divided by root of 1 minus square becomes sinus of x. Sinus of x differentiation is 1 by root of 1 minus square. Integration of 1 by root of 1 minus square becomes sinus of x. That's all. In this way you will find. That's important. Now, third question, dy by x plus y by x equal to sin x. Am I right? Now, the question that we start with dy by x, put it on y is there, get sin x. Okay, these are the form dy by dx plus dy equal to q. Here, p equal to the coefficient of y is what? 1 by x. Q is what? Equal to something. Am I right? Now, write the solution. The solution is y into if equal to q into if into dx plus c. This is a formula. This is a one. Am I right? Now, you want if. What is the formula? E equal to this. E for integration of the p is 1 by x. Already told you e power here denominator differentiation is 1. Log of x. E power log cancel 1 x. This side power. Now 1 becomes y into and I is x equal to q into q is what? Sin x into again I is x into dx plus c. Am I right? This can as x into sin x dx plus c. Now product of 2a. One is arithmetic function, one is trigonometric function. Therefore, this can as x. Am I right? Now this is actually uniform. Am I right? U equal to x. Am I right? U dash 1. Double dash 0 become negative. dv equal to sin x dx. Difference from sin x become minus cos x. Again, d1 is what? Minus cos x becomes plus sin x. Am I right? What is the formula? What is the formula? Am I right? Let it be 2. This is 2. Now 2 became left hand side already here is over. Means of this one is uv x into minus cos x minus u dash 1 into sin x plus c. After plus c. Now minus cos no. X cos x plus sin x plus c is y. What is the left hand side? You will come to say the whole term from the side. What is the answer? Raise x cos x minus sin x plus c. Am I right? Actually, yeah, b equal to minus cos minus only. Integration of cos is going to sin x only. Oh, minus sin x. Okay. 1 into minus sin x. What is the plus? From the separate side, xy plus x into cos x equal to sin x plus c. X is common, y plus cos x equal to sin x plus c. Am I right? That is the answer. Now, fourth question, solve x square plus 1 dy by dx 2xy equal to root of x plus 4. Ain't only y is there. But we don't want this one because what we want to do is no. Divided by x square square plus 1. What is the answer? You only dy by dx. Sorry, here only this. Now divided by x square plus 1 means this is cancelled dy by dx. Here divided by this way, no, x square plus 1. Here also x square plus 4 divided by x square plus 1. Am I right? Now in this other form, dy by x plus dy equal to q. P equal to the co-unit of y is p. The co-unit of y is what? 2x by x square plus 1. Am I right? Q equal to root of x square plus 4 by x square plus 1. Am I right? Now write the formula clearly. Now you want IF. IF is what? E power negative p is what? 2x by x square plus 1 dx. Here by chance, denominator x square plus 1. Differentiation of x square plus 1 is 2x plus 0. 2x exactly you know. That's why log of x square plus 1. E log cancel. We get answer IF equal to x square plus 1. Okay? Over. Now one thing y into I is what? X square plus 1 equal to q into q is what? X square plus 4 by x square plus 1 into I is what? X square plus 1 dx plus c. Am I right? In a case, this is the cancel. After cancel, the statement as x square plus 4 can be 2 square dx plus c. Now it is on the form root of a square plus x square is a form. Root of what is the form is that? Let root of a square plus x square dx form is x by 2 into root of x a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into log of x plus root of a square plus x square. This is the form of a result. Now a square plus 2 square of x by 2 into root of x square plus 2 square plus a square 2 square by 2 into log of a is 2 plus root of x square plus a square 2 square. Okay? Plus 3. Now simplify x by 2 root of x square plus 4 1 by 2 cancel no plus 2 into log of 2 plus root of x square plus 4 plus c. Left hand side x y into x square plus 1. This is answer. By using lengthy formula. This formula is not a formula. Am I right? This is the idea. This is the formula and important formula. Now fifth question, 2x by the 10 by 2. Again I told you, only y equal to mean the linear equations of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. But is y cube is there. But x1 is there. That's why next model, the linear equations of the form dx by dy equal plus p dx equal to q. The second model. That's why you will find dx by dy. Now this will come say 2x minus 10 by 2 into dy equal to minus y dx. Okay? Then cross multiply 2x by y, 2x minus 10 y cube by y cross multiply here minus dx by dy. Okay? Now write separately 2x by y minus 10 y cube by y equal to minus dx by dy. Okay? Now this will be cancelled. One time cancel 2. Now minus dx by dy come inside only dx by dy plus 2 by y into x equal to 10y square. Now it is of the form. What is the formula today? dx by dy plus px equal to q. What I told you? The question starts with dx by dy means x into something. The x into something only is not a variable. Here also a variable. Am I right? Now here p part, the co-unit x is what? The 2 by y. Q is what? 10y square. Now write the solution for the equation x into I equal to q into I formula. Am I correct? Am I correct? Now you want IF. Now IF is E for integral B dy. E for integral 2 pi by dy. E for 2 is constant 1 by dy. E for 2 into y. Here 1 is there. Difference of y with respect to 1. But log y will come. E for log of y square. E for log factor only y square. This is IF. Now 1 becomes x into y square, y into y square. Q into Q is what? 10 y square into y square into dy plus c. Correct? Q is 10 y square, IF is y square. Now 10 is constant type of say. The y power 4 dy plus c. Now integration now y power 4 is what? Y power 5 by 5 is integration. Okay? So 2 y power 5 plus c. Here x y square is the solution. This is answer. The question is of the form dx by dy plus dx into q. What is the reason? The first forward means dy by dx plus py. Only y is coming. But the y power 3 is there. That's why you want integration. That is the answer. Sixth question is the sixth question. Now the question is dy by dx. So only y is not first format. That's why you find dy is wrong. In front of dy you don't want this one. That's why divided by x into sin x. Am I right? Bottom this will be cancelled. You get dy by dx. Then x into cos x plus sin x. The whole divided by x into sin x. Am I right? Equal to here x into sin x into by x into sin x. Am I right? This will be cancelled. So dy by dx plus x into cos x plus sin x by x into sin x into y equal to 1 by x. Correct? Now it is also form dy by dx plus something into y equal to q. The something always tells us by x. The q also tells us x always correct. Now it is also form dy by dx plus dy equal to q. Here p equal to the coefficient of y, the whole term x into cos x plus sin x divided by x into sin x. Okay? Q equal to what? 1 by x. Now write the formula for solution. What is the solution? Y into if equal to q into if into dx plus c is the formula. Formula is very important. In the formula you want to here e power integration of dx. Okay? E power integration of p is what? X into cos x plus sin x divided by x into sin x into dx. Now already told you this type of problem coming e power denominator is what? X sin x. Difference is not x sin x is equal to exactly numerator will coming log of denominator. That is the formula. Am I right? Now x into sin. What is x into sin x? U is formula. X is 6 here. Sin x into cos x plus sin x is difference x is 1 mean right. Appo x r is coming. Directly this answer e power log of denominator. This is the formula. E log cancel. Appo x into sin x is here. Am I right? Now one becomes y into if. Y into x sin x equal to q into q is what? 1 by x into x sin x dx plus c. Am I right? Now x is cancelled. Only sin x is only there. Here x y into sin x. Am I right? Again x into sin x equal to integration of sin x to what? Minus cos x. Plus x y into sin x plus cos x equal to c is the answer. Small idea. That is the answer. You want to identify the method. That's very important. Very easy for you. Now listen here. Exercise 10.7. Seventh question. Y minus e for sin of x dx by dy. The question is of the form dx by dy means what is the answer? Dx by dy plus bx is q. Okay? What is the exercise involving? That's why you want everything. It is also dy by dy. Start with dy by dy, only y will come. And y will is there. No y. That's why I e power something. This minus half minus. Okay? Now class y minus e power something. The whole divided by 1 minus square equal to minus class dy by dy. Okay? Now discover y will root of 1 minus minus e for sin of x divided by root of 1 minus x square equal to minus dy by dx. Now this is condition, but put in positive dy by dx plus y into y by root of 1 minus x square. This is condition e for sin of x by root of 1 minus x square. Now it is out of dy by dx plus py equal to q because the co-integral is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square equal to 1 extra. Here also extra. Here p equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Q equal to what? E for sin of x by root of 1 minus x square. Okay? Now find if. I is equal to what? E power. Never e power b is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is the formula for integral formula of what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square is what? E power sin of x. This is the formula. Usually e for log of something means e log will be cancelled. But e log not involved. But e for sin of x become e for sin of x. Now what is the formula? What is the formula? The solution is y into if, q into if, the dx must be known. Substitute y into I is what? E for sin of x. Q is what? E for sin of x. Okay? Divided by root of 1 minus x square into this also e for sin of x. This can be as e power 2 times sin of x is. Left hand side, same thing, plus it. Now this is not even form. That's why substitution method put t equal to the sin of x. So different case of this one is what? Sin of x represents 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Cross multiply. Now substitute here. Left hand side same thing, one thing. Right hand side e power 2 into t. What do you mean? Dx by root of 1 minus x square become dt plus. Now integration of e for 2t become e for 2t by 2 plus c. Once again replace the value for t. That is answer. E power 2 times sin of x by 2 plus c. This is solution. So integral formula very important. This is difference area. This is the substitution method. Mind it. Not directly. Integration is not possible. Therefore, by using substitution method, now in this integral form, you will integrate the answer. That's all. Now listen here. 8th question. So dy by dx plus y divided by 1 minus x root x equal to 1 minus root of x. This is given. Now it is of the form because start with the only way is the limit of the x. Say it is of the form dy by dx is equal to dy plus dy equal to q is of the form. Which was d equal to what? The coefficient of y is what? 1 by 1 minus x into 2x. 2 is what? 1 minus 1x. Am I right? Now, find if. What is if? E power integration. E power integration 1 divided by 1 minus x into root x into dx. Am I right? Now, this is not possible. This is substitution of the put. The inside of the that is 2x will be equal to d. Am I right? X square is what? Equal to x is what? E square. Am I right? Now difference of this is what? Dx equal to 2t. Dx by dt what? 2t. Dx equal to 2 into t into dt. Am I right? Now substitute that. E power if equal to e power integration of dx is what? 2t dt. Alright? Divided by 1 minus x. X is what? T square. Into root x is what? T. Let it be cancelled. 2 is constant. E power 2 is constant. Integration of only dt by 1 minus t square. E power 2 into dt by 1 square minus t square. That is what? A square minus x square. It is on the form. Dx by a square minus x square means what is the formula? 1 by 2a log of a plus x divided by a minus x formula. E power 2 into what is formula? 1 by 2 into a is 1 into log of a is 1 plus t by 1 minus t. Am I right? 2 to cancel. So e power log of 1 plus t by 1 minus t. E log cancel. Only 1 plus t, 1 minus t. Once again, substitute the value. What is the value? 2x. 1 plus 2x by 1 minus 2x. This is called here. This is somewhat extra over. Now what is the formula of function? Y into I into integration of q into I into dx plus t in the form. Y into I is what? 1 plus root x by 1 minus root x equal to q is what? 1 minus x. I is what? 1 plus root x by 1 minus x. This is plus this will be cancelled. Now integration of 1 plus dx, 1 plus root x. Okay? Now integration of is 1 is x. X root x means actually x for half. Okay? Integration of this is what? X for 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c is the formula. Now again x plus 2 by 3 x for 3 by 2 plus c. Left hand side y into 1 plus 1x by 1 minus 1x. This is the answer. So here IF, you find IF somewhat negative calculation. Then we have this value. This is the answer. Therefore, this problem, find this formula, this is formula. Write it report. Important formula. That's all. This is a question. Question 9. Solve. Okay? What is given? 1 plus x y square into dy by dx plus y square into dx. Am I right? Now arrange out of these two terms. What shall you want to write? Here minus y plus y square. Am I right? Now 1 plus out of these two terms x is common. 1 plus y square. Am I right? Out of these two terms 1 plus y square is. Next here minus y is common. Y into 1 plus y into cos 1 minus 1 dx by dy. Am I right? Because if it is of the form dy by dx means it is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Only y will come. But y square, so many y square sign y square, is also dx by dy. Am I right? Now the growth divided by y into, am I right? Y into the common term should be cancelled. The question that way y cube. Then only after taking y square will come. Divide y into 1 plus y square. What is the answer? Here 1 by y into 1 plus y square. Am I right? Plus then x into the 1 plus y square cancel. Only y divided by y. Then minus all of them will be cancelled. Dx by dy. Now this is term what is it? Dx by dy plus dx by y equal to this one is minus 1 by y into 1 plus y square. Okay? Now it is of the second format. It is of the form. It is of the form dx by dy plus bx equal to q. Second format. Because it is of the form dy by dx plus dy equal to q will come only y only involved. Only y square involved. On the simplification, the x only involved. The question is of the form dx by dy means x only involved. No? That's why p equal to the co-efficient x square 1 by y. Q equal to what? Minus 1 by y into 1 plus y square. Okay? Now, integral dot is I is equal to e for integral b dy. Another formula. Find it. The e power integration p is what? 1 by y dy. The e power this is log of y. Already told you denominator is y. Difference is not y with respect to y is 1 log of y. E power log cancel. Up I is equal to e power y. Now what is the solution? The solution is x into if equal to integration of q into if into dx dy plus c. Another formula. Now x into if is y. Q is what? Minus 1 by y into 1 plus y square. If is what? Into y into dy plus c. This y will cancel. Minus is common. 1 by 1 plus y square dy plus c. Actually 1 by 1 plus y square is what? This one is what? Tan inverse of y. Only minus it. The ground was comes saying xy plus tan inverse of xy equal to c is the answer. So integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is what? Tan inverse of x. Here 1 by 1 plus y square with respect to y. That's why tan inverse of y. Final answer is xy plus tan inverse of y equal to c. That is the answer. Am I right? And this is minus c. Am I right? Equal to minus c. That's all. Now exercise 10.8. Same exercise 10th problem. This is given. Now question is of the form dy by x dx plus y log x equal to sin 2x divided by log x. Am I right? Now it is of the form dy by dx plus dy equal to q. B equal to what? The co-efficient y is what? 1 by x into log x. Q is what? Sin 2x divided by log x. Now we want if. Am I right? Am I right? So e power p is what? 1 by x into log x dx. This can be e power 1 by x divided by log x dx. Am I right? 1 divided by x log x can be 1 by divided by log x. What does it? Now, differentiation of denominator is what? Log x become 1 by e power log of log x. Am I right? Differentiation of denominator is equal to x log divided by what is the log? Log of denominator. Log of denominator will be log x. Log of log x. The e power log will be cancelled. We had only log x. This is idea. Am I right? Now write the formula. The solution is y into if q into if dx plus c is the formula. Y into log x. equal to q is what? Sin 2x divided by log x. And im is what? Log x. dx plus. Now log x cancel. So sin 2x dx plus c. Integration of sin is what? Minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. Okay? This is y log x. Okay? This is the answer. Sometimes you want to simplify. This is the answer. That's enough. Sometimes what you know? Cos 1 by 2, then minus cos 2 is come inside. But anyway, this is the front. This is enough. That's all. We want to identify the method. It's not zero base. If it y only is there, giving all the other x. That's why it is of the form. Linear equations of the form. dy by dx plus dy equal to q. This formula means this is the formula. We need IF. After finding IF, substitute we get the answer. In one more question, only integrate but allowed asking. This part only asking. From the question, you would guess the p value, then integrate with respect to x, then you expect to get the answer. Sometimes one more question is the only one part. Now 11th one, solve x plus a dy by x minus 2y equal to x plus a whole square. This is correct. Am I right? Now divided by x plus a. dy by x minus 2y by x plus a equal to x plus a whole power 4 by x plus a. This will cancel. Right? Therefore, dy by x minus 2 by x plus a into y equal to x plus a whole power 3. Am I right? Now it is of the form. What is the format? Start with dy by x plus py equal to q. Am I right? The p equal to the coefficient of y is minus 2 by x plus a. Q is what? X plus a whole power 3. Am I right? Now find IF. IF what is the formula? E for integral dx. E for integration of minus 2 by x plus a dx. Minus 2 is common side 1 by x plus a whole into dx. Now already told you, denominator is what? X plus a. Difference is of x plus a is what? X is 1, a is 0. Now difference is of denominator is equal to numerator. That's why log of denominator. Am I right? Once I equal log of x plus a whole power minus 2. Am I right? Power. E log cancel. Get the answer? X plus a whole power minus 2. That's what? Can recognize IF equal to 1 by x plus a whole square. Am I right? That recognize IF equal to 1 plus 1 by x plus a whole square. Am I right? The solution is. Am I right? Now therefore IF equal to reciprocal is what? 1 plus a whole square is IF. Now write the formula. Y into IF equal to Q into integration of Q into IF into dx plus c is the formula. Am I right? Y into 1 by x plus a whole square equal to Q is what? X plus a whole power 3. Here 1 by x plus a whole square dx plus c. This we cancel. Okay? After cancel only x plus a dx plus c is there. Now integration of x plus a whole power 2 by 2. This is the formula. So here 1 by y by x plus a whole square. This is answer. That's all. That's all. Power 4 is there. 3 is there. The power will be cancelled. Right? The whole thing cancelled. Only power 3 cancelled. We can only x plus a. The x plus a integration is what? X plus a whole power 1 more than 15 on. Power will be added. 1 plus 2 divided by 2. That is the formula. Now 11th question. dy by dx. This is the 12th question. dy by dx equal to x cube into y. Now this term comes in. So dy by dx plus 3x squared divided by 1 plus x cube y equal to sin square x divided by 1 plus x cube. Am I right? Now it is out the form. Am I right? Now it is out the form. dy by dx plus dy by q. P equal to what? The coefficient of y. That is what? 3x square by 1 plus x cube. Q is what? Sin square divided by 1 plus x cube. Am I right? Now write the formula. I will put e power now. P is what? 3x square divided by 1 plus x cube dx. Now e power add it to denominator is what? 1 plus x cube. Differentiation of 1 plus x cube is what? 1 becomes 0. X cube into 3x square. Our denominator, differentiation of denominator becomes exact numerator. So say log of denominator. And e power will be cancelled. We can cancel only 1 plus x cube. This is called here. Am I right? Now write the formula. Am I right? Substitute y into this is 1 plus x cube equal to q is what? Sin square x divided by 1 plus x cube into if also 1 plus x cube dx plus c. This will be cancelled. Am I right? For sin square x dx plus c. The right hand side. Now integration of sin square is what? There is no integral formula for sin square x. Am I right? There is no integral formula for sin square x. For sin square x 1 minus cos x by 2. This is called trigonometric formula. Sin square means 1 minus cos x by 2. Cos square means 1 plus cos x by 2 by dt. Am I right? Now the 1 by 2 is constant. It is the bracket. Integration of 26 minus integration of cos 2x becomes sin 2x divided by 2 plus c is answer. That's all. So trigonometric formula, find it. Sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. This is the formula. Because there is no integral formula for sin square x, cos square x. That's why we use trigonometric formula after integrating with respect to x. That is the answer. Now 13th question. X divided by x plus y equal to x plus x. Infinite y. Start with dividends. But we don't want x divided by x. Am I right? And x cancel divided by x. Here y by x cancel y by x. Am I right? Now it is our form. P equal to what? The coefficient of y is what? 1 by x. Q is what? 1 by x. This is the formula 1 by x is. Am I right? So e for log of x. Because there is x is 1. Because the x is not 1. E for log of x is right. Now write the formula. The solution is y into I f equal to integration of q into I f plus dx plus c. Y into this dx. Q is what? Log x into x dx plus c. Now log x is arithmetic function. Is log only function. Therefore, by using integral by parts formula. Integral by parts formula. Am I right? Am I right? Here, I, L, you know, I, L, A, D, E. I for inverse, not in body. But here, U for log. This only U. U equal log x. Am I right? But U dash for what? 1 by x. Am I right? Next, divide quantity is what? dv equal to x dx. Otherwise, du equal to 1 by x dx. From this, you want to integrate x square dx. Am I right? The formula is that u dv equal to uv minus ddu. This is called integral by parts formula, not Bernoulli's formula. Now, after s here, xy, reference is what? Xy equal to, inside this one, what is formula? uv log x into b is x square by 2 minus integration of dt. D is what? X square by 2. D is what? 1 by x dx. This will cancel. This can be x square by 2 into log x here. Minus 1 will be there. Only x dx is there. plus c always plus c plus c. X square by 2 into log x minus 1 by 2 into this also equals what? X square by 2 plus c. Out of these two terms, x square by 2 is common. Log x minus 1 by 2 plus c. This is the answer. This is not actually Bernoulli's formula. So it is a five-part formula. Both are same actually. But here, usually x is x. Sorry, u could explain u as 1. Afterwards, 0 will come. That type of question you will use the Bernoulli's formula. But u could what? Log x. Because of the rule is what? I for inverse, L for log. Log is the involving. That's why u is log. Now, 42% is given. dy is involved, y involved. We want to arrange the x dy plus 2y equal to x square log x. We don't know the x divided by x. Okay? The x cancel. Here 2y x into y. Here x cancel no. X into x. Divided by x is throughout x divided by x. Now it is on the form. Divided by x plus 3 equal to q. P is what? The coefficient of y is 2x. Q is what? Equal to something. Now write the form of y equal to this. This is what? 2 by x this. Am I right? Now e for 2 is constant. That was like 1 by x this. We e power 2 log x. Am I right? This can be e power log x square. E log cancel only x square. This is here. Now write the formula. Substitute y into x square equal to q is what? Q is what? X log x. Am I correct? In the I is what? X square plus. Now multiply x cube log x dx plus c. This is the x square. Am I correct? Now the same thing. Product of 2a. But log x is nothing u. Which one you? By the rule, pilot rule, you choose u. The remaining quantity will be dv. What is the remaining quantity? X cube. Integral sum dv is dv. X power 3 is what? X power 4. Differentiation of log x 1 by x into this. Okay? This is a formula. Now substitute here, therefore, x square y equal to this one is a formula. uv log x with b is x power 4 by 2 minus b integration of b is what? X power 4 by 4 into d is what? 1 by x dx. Cancel. Plus c. Log x is x power 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4 cancel no? By x cube dx. Now this can be x power 4 by 4 into log x minus 1 by 4 into integration of x power 3 is x power 4 by 4 plus. Now what is common? X power 4 by 4 is common. What is the remainder? Log x minus 1 by 4 plus 3 is cancelled. All about same method. Small change only. We must follow the formula method. Now it is a 50% solved. And given that y equal to 1, that means what? After finding the solution, the find is substitute x value and y value to find the value of c. That's what it is. The previous solved this is not given. C only. But you will find the c also, that's x out. This is given. Now question is on the form dy by x py y can know limit of x. Now that's why it is on the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay? Here p equal to the coefficient x square p base and q equal to 1 by x square. Now find I. What is the formula? E power inverse by x. Okay? E power 3 by x dx. E power 3 constant 1 by x dx. Okay? This is equal to e power 3 into log x. Okay? E power is given as log x cube. Of the x cube is here. Here e and log will be cancelled. Okay? This side. Now write the solution. The solution is Next, q into if dx plus is formula. Y into if is x cube. Q is what? 1 by x square. If is what? X cube plus. Okay? Cancel. After integrate only x dx. Index of x is what? X square by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Okay? This is the solution. Actually. Suppose this value not equal to this answer. But value you know. When y equal to 2 and x equal to 1. Okay? Is given that y equal to when x is equal to 1. Substitute here 1 cube into 1 square by 2 plus. Okay? The 2 minus 1 by 2 equals c. C is equal to 2 is here. 4 minus 1 is 3 by 2. Therefore, the solution is x cube y equal to x square by 2 plus 3 by 2. Okay? The book answer is we don't have the fraction. That's why multiply 2. What the answer? 2x cube y 2 cancel. Here also 2 cancel. This is the answer. Completely this exercise is over. I did all exercise problems. Remember the example problem? Go to the book.